curious butterflies.
You mean bread and butterflies?
Oh, yes, of course.
Look at her. Hello everybody. I'm back in Chicago and this is what I eat in a day. For breakfast, you guys saw, but I had a scrambled eggs with English muffin and jelly, and it was so yummy. And I really thought I was gonna be late for class because it takes a little bit to make, but I wasn't. I'm making coffee now. My friend is in her voice lesson. Sorry, Amber. Okay. Ingredients: coffee, almond milk, this stuff, which I actually don't know what this is. It's almond and coconut creamer. Hello. I'm making a video.
Are you?
Do you want to be in it? This is Nathan. I don't know how much to fill this up. Oh, that's gonna be strong. How do I fix this?
You don't. You suck. Oh my god.
Much. And then we're gonna do this. This is the Emma Chamberlain recipe. I hope it's good. Oh, oh, you didn't even see. Wow. Oh, cheers. I think I want to get caramel syrup. Look at my view, because that's even better. Just kidding, I am the view.
You're up here.
This is my
you
view.
Take it down here.
Wait, this is gonna be my thumbnail. Come here. Okay. Here's the fit. I'm looking okay. I got Wanda and Cosmo on. My heart sunglasses, my green mask, my green sweatshirt, my pink puffer coat, mom jeans. I don't know if this is gonna be like a vlog or like if it's just gonna be what I eat in a day. Or both. We're going to Starbucks. Yummy. I don't even know if I have money.
Failed.
No, it was good and I'm not getting coffee. I don't know what I'm getting. I'll take the lemon loaf.
You want anything to drink on?
No thank you.
Fair enough.
What did you get?
I got a iced chai with soy milk. Cheers.
Cheers. I'm having some fruit snacks for a snack, and I'm watching some D'Angelo Wallace absolutely obliterating all the influencers who are just pretending we're not in a pandemic. So yeah. Smoothie time. Super yummy, and then I put whipped cream in it. I'm making my rice dish today for dinner. It's called Herb Lemon Rice Recipe. I'm very excited because I'm trying to eat healthier this semester and trying not to spend as much money like on food like outside of groceries. I wanted to make this video just to show you like what I'm trying to eat now. Spending money I don't need to spend is another thing like I'm trying to work on, is like I can make my own recipes at home. I can figure out how to do it. As the chef in Ratatouille, Chef Gusteau, would say, anyone can cook. I'm going to shower and then I'm going to make this super yummy recipe. I'm so excited. I'm even giving a little portion to my friend Hannah, who let me use her rice and her chicken broth because the grocery store didn't give it to me. So I'm gonna go do that and it's gonna be super fun. So waiting for this to boil. I hope I did it right because I don't know if I did. Okay, so I need like to put something in the rice, but I'm not eating that for dinner. I gave up. And I'm having cereal because I don't have food apparently. In my
What? Thank you. Okay.
Anyways, thanks for watching my what I eat in a day. I ended up having avocado toast for dinner and also cereal. Catch me next. Hey, hey. This is a family show. Say bye to the vlog. Bye guys. See you next time when I try something else that doesn't work. Bye.